Most people are still using Google for everything. But right now, there are 5 free AI tools that can do in seconds what used to take hours. And the best part? Almost nobody knows about them yet. Stay till the end because number 3 is going to completely change how you work. Welcome to FuturePulse, where we break down AI and the future of technology so you stay ahead of everyone else. I'm going to show you exactly what these tools are, what they do, and how to use them starting today. Let's get into it. Tool number 1 is Perplexity AI. Think of it as Google, but with a brain. Instead of showing you a list of links, Perplexity actually reads the internet for you and gives you a direct answer with sources. I used it to research an entire topic in 4 minutes that would have taken me 2 hours on Google. It's completely free. Just go to perplexity.ai and start asking questions. Students, professionals, researchers, this tool alone will save you hours every single week. Tool number 2 is Gamma. This one is dangerous in the best way. You type one sentence and Gamma builds you a complete professional presentation. Slides, design, content, all done in under 60 seconds. I've seen people use this to make business pitches, school projects, and client reports. Completely free to start. Go to gamma.app, type your topic, and watch it build your presentation live. Your colleagues will think you spent hours on it. Tool number 3, and this is the one I told you to wait for. ElevenLabs lets you clone any voice or generate ultra-realistic AI voiceovers for free. Podcasters, video creators, and businesses are using this to create professional audio content without recording a single thing. The free plan gives you enough credits to test it seriously. Go to ElevenLabs.io, type any text, pick a voice, and hear what AI audio sounds like in 2025. It's genuinely shocking. Tool number 4 is Napkin AI. You paste any block of text, and it automatically turns it into a beautiful visual diagram or infographic. No design skills, no Canva, no Photoshop, just text in, visual out. This is perfect for content creators, teachers, marketers, anyone who needs to explain complex ideas simply. Go to napkin.ai and paste any paragraph. You'll have a professional graphic in about 10 seconds. And tool number 5, Claude by Anthropic. While everyone is talking about ChatGPT, Claude has quietly become the most powerful AI for writing, analysis, and deep thinking. It understands context better, writes more naturally, and handles long, complex documents that break other AI tools. The free version is incredibly capable. Go to claude.ai, start a conversation, and ask it something hard. You'll immediately understand why professionals are switching to it. Now you have 5 free AI tools that most people will never discover. Perplexity for research, Gamma for presentations, ElevenLabs for audio, Napkin for visuals, and Claude for thinking. Start with just one today. Pick the one that solves your biggest problem right now and spend 10 minutes with it. If this video saved you time, subscribe to Future Pulse because we drop videos like this every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Comment below which tool you're trying first. I read every single comment. The future belongs to people who use the right tools. You just found 5 of them. See you in the next video.